I guess. Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be making slime, but my way. Some people might be able to make it this way, but yeah, here's my way. What you're going to need is a bowl and a spoon. So the first thing you add is glue. I'm using black glitter glue. Have to use this, but you know what? I'm gonna use my other glue. Stay right here. Well, you guys aren't going in. So yeah, if I can find my big glue. I'll be right back. I am back. Some more minutes and this umbrella. My desk, so I have it on. Oh no, I have it in my hands right now. So, yeah. Oh no. I hope that wasn't bad. That wasn't too long for you guys. What else? Be a long video. Oh, now I'm gonna add the glue. That should be enough. Next thing I add is a lot of hair stuff. It's cooling stuff. It makes it just like liquidy and yeah. I add that probably like that much. And I add some shaving foam or shaving cream, however you pronounce it. That much. Then I mix. Confirm the mixing. There we go. So I mix it like that, and it turns out all like chunky, but yeah. This noise is really annoying, but gotta deal with it. You can see it's forming like that. So the next thing I add is a bunch of baking soda, like that much baking soda, and then I mix. Yeah, got my mouth. And I add contact lens. Let's spitz at a little bit at a time. Sometimes it doesn't work, but other times it does. So, yeah. So I just added some more contact lens. So, sometimes it just needs more baking soda, so I add more baking soda. The last one I made, I'll show you in a little bit after I make this one. But done. You can see it's forming. Probably just gonna get it like more like thick and together. Get it a little closer. I'm sitting on my beanbag and making slime. Oof. Okay, now I'm gonna add some more baking soda. So as I told you guys, sometimes it like totally just doesn't work, but other times it just like walks. I'm trying to get it focused on. See, it's walking right now. Right now it is now. Now it is. It takes me like 5 minutes to make slime. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I'm gonna need now. I'm getting it off the spoon. And then I'm also put the spoon on the ground because that's me. So there's gonna be black stuff because I made the other slime like this with clay. So I've changed my style on how to make slime. This one, it turns out like this. It makes it look chunky though, but it feels so good. This one's a little sticky right now. I'm gonna add a little bit more contact cards. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. It's so random right now. Okay, so I'm gonna knead it right here like this. I'm gonna drop it in and see how stretchy it is. Oh gosh, that's sticky though. Now, I'm going to show you the other slime, so let me go get it. It's not in my room right now, actually. I'll go get it. We actually have another slime. 2 slimes, one's bigger, one's tinier, that I made like this. I'm going to show you the tiny one right now. Oof. Oh, it's hot there. Okay. Put it on my leg. So it's kind of glow in the dark, but not really. I added shaving cream and all, like the white stuff. Hi, my bunny. But, yeah, let's do it. Yeah, it's put that in. It's gonna make some fart noises, so if you don't like fart noises, skip a little bit. Oh, I guess it didn't. Okay, well, moving on to the next one. Try to set you guys up. Not, like, I don't know. Let's just open this. It's very fluffy. Honey? It just like eats me. Look at this. My hand's solid now. Oh no. 1 second. It's all over me. I need to get it off of me. Oh my goodness. It's all over me. Okay. Bloopers. Yeah. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.